I've been putting a lot of time into the Uwant Y100 steam carpet cleaner, and this is one of those tools that exposes how not clean your stuff actually is. On the surface, it looks like your typical portable spot cleaner, but once you start using it, the main thing for me that stands out is it's not just a one method machine. You've got three modes: cold water, hot water, and full steam. And I know that sounds like marketing, but it actually changes how you clean. Most people hit everything with hot water or steam right away, but that's not always the best move. And a quick cleaning fact here is heat can actually set certain stains, especially things like food, dairy, and even pet messes. So being able to start with cold water first lets you lift that stain without locking it in. Then you can step it up to hot or steam depending on what you're dealing with. It's a more layered approach instead of just going full blast every time. Now, once you switch over to steam mode, that's where this thing really earns its keep. You're working with around 212 degrees, so it's not just rinsing the surface, it's breaking down oils, grime, and buildup deep inside of the fabric. You can actually see it in the dirty water coming back. It's pulling stuff you didn't even realize was in there. Upholstery especially looks noticeably different after. It's not just cleaner, it kind of fluffs back up instead of staying matted down. Another thing worth mentioning is the suction. This is rated at 18,000 kilopascals, which is pretty strong for a portable unit. And frankly, suction is one of the most underrated parts of these machines because it's not just about cleaning, it's about how much water you're pulling back out. If you leave too much water behind, that's when you get that damp smell later and possibly created bacteria growth. This does a really good job of extracting most of the moisture so things dry faster and don't feel soaked after you're done. If you've got pets, the included pet-specific cleaning solution is actually a nice touch too. It's designed to break down odors instead of just covering them up, which is critical. Little cleaning fact here as well, a lot of pet smells come from compounds that need to be broken down, not masked, or they'll just come right back once everything dries. Being able to spray that directly onto the stain first, then extract it, just speeds everything up. And design-wise, it's super straightforward. It's a 2-in-1 tank setup, which makes it easier to deal with since you're not constantly swapping or juggling separate tanks for clean water and dirty water. You can empty it and refill it without turning it into a whole process, which matters more than you think when you're in the middle of cleaning multiple spots, or you've got an emergency spot cleaning on your hand and the kids are running around and the dogs are going crazy, or whatever's happening in your household like it is in mine. And look how long the electric cord is. It totally negates the need for any extension cord. Combine that with the really long hose and you can reach just about any stain anywhere in your house from a traditional outlet. The attachments are another area where this actually feels thought out. You've got different brush types depending on what you're working on: carpet, upholstery, even more delicate fabric. And that's important because different materials hold on to dirt differently. Using the right brush helps you clean deeper without overlooking the surface. I even use a variety of heads to remove this lipstick that my toddler put all over our white countertops. The hot water and silicone brush did wonders when the scrubbing sponge just wouldn't budge it. To start, you'll simply add water to the clean water tank. And I like to add the Uwant textile cleaning solution to it if I'm using it on the carpet, which is about 80% of the time for me, but I love that it only needs an ounce, so a bottle of this stuff goes a long way. Add the cleaning head of choice, turn to your desired feature, spray the area first with the cleaning solution if it's needed, put down the water, give it a gentle scrub, then pull towards you and soak up the water and stain. I really wish it was easier. Sometimes I have to make a few passes depending on the depth of the stain or the severity of it. Otherwise, that's all there is to it. And cleanup is incredibly easy. I love how easy it is to clean once you're done. Just rinse the tank and the attachments. You can also use the self-cleaning head to wash the hose and make sure nothing is getting clogged in the nozzle. Then one trick I learned is once the tank and the accessories are dry, you can just store the accessories right inside of the tank. No need to keep track of them separately, and they're not hanging on the side or falling off anymore. So overall, I am a very big fan. So if you're in the market for a new steam, carpet, or upholstery cleaner, give this one a shot. I've had a number of UWAN products and I can promise you, you will not go wrong. So Hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns, and have a great day.